Guys, this is me, and today we're going to be making Ultimate World Let's Play. As you can see, we just created the world. Jugabayam. As you see, now it looks a bit small because of this setting. Look. This is going to take ages to get down the trees. So, I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. Now, clean on this tree again. I hear a baby noise, but it's my baby brother. So, if you can, just ignore that. Now, need to speak up a little bit louder. Okay, 40 wood. See, I just press this button to put it like that. Look, that's normal, but I kind of prefer it this. Oh no, not that way. Too big. I prefer it this way. Now, I'm gonna use the crafting table. So there's gonna be different things here. Imagine being so expensive actually. This is a 0.14. I got it. I finally actually got it. Now, I'll definitely be able to get cookies. That's the thing I'm definitely going to be able to do. And next time I'm playing, there's going to be a different person. The princess is going to be here. Like in the last episode when you're showing 0.14. Okay. You need to get started. So we just need stone. Let's go get stone. That's the first thing you need. First thing you're gonna do. Get stone. Won't break that or I won't have any way out. And this might take a long time as well. So I'll be back when I get my stone tools. Okay, I'm back with all my stone tools. Oh wow, the video was paused. I can't even in. Sorry, my inventory. I should do that now. Just not gonna use the stone. I'm gonna save it. Now, if I don't get lost from spawn, I just have to go into exactly. I didn't load the seed any. And it's just new. I didn't like see it. Oh my gosh. Is my brightness even up? It's up to the fullest. Oh my gosh. Okay. I can breathe. Oh my gosh, that was horrible. I'll just do the old traditional way, using trapdoors. Wait, is this a wrong word? Can't see trap. Red side? There's something wrong. It's like glitching or something. I think I can only make trapdoors with oak. So I better just get this oak tree. And I just broke with a wooden axe. Definitely something wrong. Don't know if it's glitching or not, but there's definitely some rock. I'm just gonna make 2 pairs just in case. Now this might take a while again, because sometimes I can be pretty slow. So I'll be back. I am here. I just broke all of this. No. If you're watching this on like an Android device like me, recommend you to put your brightness up. Now there's a glitch where you can do something. I'll just show you right here. Oh, I don't want to fall in. First we need a furnace. And oh my gosh. No. Okay. Okay. So when you make the furnace, it has a choice to burn wood. So when you burn wood, this could take a long time too. So, but okay.